Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us in another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPhone. Now today we're going to take a look at proximity searching. Proximity searching has a value because you can search for two different words within the same paragraph within a set spacing between each other. Now to show you how to do that, let's dive right into the app. I'm going to tap on the little tiny search magnifying glass from my home screen, and I'm going to type in the first word that I'm going to be looking for, and that is the word faith. Now the operand, or the syntax for proximity, is the word near, so I'm going to type in near, and I've got to tap the right word, and then I'm going to put in a /, and then the number that I'm going to use in the word separation between them. And then I put another space, and then I close off for the second word, which is faith. So I'm looking for faith and sight, and they have to be within a 10-word split of each other, within the proximity. So if you can see here, I have 349 times that faith and sight. And you can see that sometimes, as you see through the results as I scroll, they're within 2, 3, 4, but they're always within that 10-word split of each other. Now, if I come up here and I reduce that number from 10, let's say down to 4, and I search again, you can see how it reduced the number by half, and you can see that now faith and sight has to be within 4 words of each other, and you can see that down here within the search results. So that's proximity searching. You know, if I open it up, you can count the number of words, and we got faith, and then 1, 2, 3 in between. Other times in the next, let's see what we got here. We've got 4, and if I click in here, the next result, I have multiple times, but then I have faith, 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 but I have faith and sight here. So faith, and then I have those at least 4 words in there between them. Okay, and then what have I got here? I've got, once again, 4. So that's proximity searching within the EGW Writings 2 app. Just remember the operand is near / and then the digit of the number between that you're looking for to be the words that are within proximity of each other. It can be very helpful to be able to, limit the phrases and words that you may be looking for. So, hope that little tech tip helped. Remember, as you're searching, use all these special search tools that we've built into the app for when you're doing advanced searches, looking for that elusive word or phrase that you may be searching for in the writings of Ellen White. Thanks for joining us now. Have a nice day.